Now, if you're not colorblind like me, you might be able to identify Mars pretty easily because of its red hue. Mars has actually been a hot astronomical topic lately, so let's leave Earth's surface and get a closer look at the red planet. Most of the news you might have heard about Mars has been about sending people to Mars. It's a big goal, but we have a lot of research and exploration to do before we can achieve it. Much of this research and exploration is being done by super sophisticated robots called rovers that drive over the Martian surface. Currently exploring Mars's surface is NASA's Curiosity rover. It landed in Gale Crater in 2012 and has been studying Mars's climate and geology. It's also been doing some of the preliminary research for what was going to be NASA's Mars 2020 mission, which was recently renamed Perseverance. The newly titled mission was originally set to launch sometime in July or August of 2020 from Cape Canaveral. However, concerns over COVID-19 have unfortunately delayed the mission to 2022, which is when the next time Mars and Earth are going to be ideally aligned for efficient travel, which will take about 6 months. Perseverance's current target is Jezero Crater, highlighted by the yellow marker here. Let's get a closer look. As you can see from the mission patch here, Perseverance's main goals are to search for signs of past life on Mars, collect rock samples, and prepare for human exploration. It will be doing this by studying Mars's geology and climate. The Perseverance rover is about the size of a car and weighs about 2,000 pounds on Earth. As you can see from the picture here, its general design is based off the Curiosity rover, but it has some new and exciting features and instruments. Among these instruments is a drill on the end of its large arm for digging out core samples of rock so we can get a look at their insides. On the end of that arm is also a tool called Sherlock, like Sherlock Holmes and his magnifying glass that he uses to search for clues. Perseverance's Sherlock will use UV spectrometers, a laser, and a camera to search for organic chemicals and minerals that may provide clues about whether there used to be microbial life on the planet. On the bottom area of the rover is a tool called RIMFAX, and it will use radar waves to search the ground under the rover for water and ice. Now, why is it looking for water? Well, where there's water, there might also be life, just like on Earth. Water below the surface might indicate if life ever lived on Mars and where it might have been. And located near RIMFAX is one of the most exciting instruments on the rover, its MOXIE unit. MOXIE will convert Martian carbon dioxide into oxygen, almost like a tree. This SOAKS unit, pictured here, is what will actually split the carbon dioxide and extract the oxygen. This oxygen can be used for breathing as well as fuel and propellant for rockets. Once MOXIE is tested on the surface, it will need to be scaled 100 times, which is the size needed to support a single human. I hope you're as excited as I am about all the news that will soon be coming from Mars and NASA.